To request a session, you go to nemo.asc.org. I'm using a staging environment, so the URL seems different. You'll click on login using your asee.org credentials. Click from upcoming conferences, you click on the 2023 annual conference, then manage sessions. Here, we focus on a few things. You can request a new session. You have reports on all things session. You must indicate whether you're gonna attend participate in the division mixer. And under the help button, you have useful information for the conference or sessions on the whole. So requesting sessions, there are about 6 sessions you can request online. For this demo purpose, we're going to look at business meeting, panel of invited speakers, special session, social function. We start with a business meeting. Title. Description. Estimated head count. Select a time slot from the time slot provided. Location, we have 2 options, on-site or off-site. We're going to go with on-site, and select your session interest. Create. The first set of information you just entered is under the basic information tab, which you can edit by clicking on edit over here. And then there are additional information you need to provide. The next is the sponsoring division. By default, the person who is requesting the session is listed as 100%, and you can add additional divisions to co-sponsor your session. You select your division from the drop-down list. You determine whether you're going to split the cost by percentage or a dollar amount. And that sends a notification to the program chair for the division that is you're requesting to co-sponsor, and that person has to accept or decline the request. You can also remove the sponsoring division, and it will just change it back to the requesting division being the 100% sponsor. You can indicate whether your session is ticketed or not. And if it's ticketed, you can also indicate the cost and the maximum of tickets that can be sold. You can also add amenities through edit. If no food is needed, you can just select this button. And you can also add special food and room set. Finally, you can add moderators. This does not have to be done at the time of the session request, but I can just show you how it works. Okay, so we have successfully requested a business meeting. We will move on to requesting another session, a panel of invited speakers. A description, estimated head count, select the time slot from the predetermined time slots available. Again, a location, same options, session interest as well. Similar concept, the basic information you just entered can be updated through the edit in this section. You can add speakers, moderators. I'm going to add a speaker. It basically gives you results from this, all the persons are in our database, but if the person you're looking for is not in the database, you can also add that person as well. I will show you that. Okay. Um, you can also add a sponsor in division. You can determine whether it's ticketed or not ticketed. Amenities is basically the same as the other session type. So we do not need to repeat that step. We can just move on to special session title. Description, estimated head count. Add speakers. Similar information, moderator, as well as sponsor and division. It can be a division or it can be an organization. You can indicate with a ticketed or non-ticketed session, as well as amenities. You can add amenities that you need, or if you don't need anything there, it can be left the way it is. And finally, we'll look at a social function. Estimated head count is always required. This will help us determine the rooms that we can assign it to. Great. And basically, you can repeat the other steps that we went through, indicating whether ticketed or not. And you can also add amenities as well as moderators. This concludes our demo for session requests. Once you request sessions, a list of all your requested sessions will show up here. And once you click into the session, you can withdraw a session as well.